It's a 4 BHK house. All of the bedrooms are good sized bedrooms. Even this room looks like a big master bedroom. It's not as small as it should be. So the house has been divided into two parts. Two bedrooms are on one side and the other two bedrooms are on this side. You need a lot of privacy. There are two families staying in one house and this house can be best pick for you. So this again, like I said, it's a two master bedroom concept. In this bedroom, they have given you a walk-in closet area on that side along with the washroom. And then there's some extra niche given on this side where you can have more wardrobes installed. And you can easily accommodate a king size bed in this room along with the TV if you want to. I'm going to show you the powder room. Usually the powder rooms that I've seen with other builders, they are very small, 4.5 feet by 5 feet. But this powder room is quite spacious. You can easily accommodate a big vanity. They're giving you these vitrified tiles on the wall. And of course, the sanitary is going to be there, which is all by Kohler. If you talk about specification, they have not compromised anywhere. Then we have this corridor, which is going towards the living area. In the dining area, like I said, the house has been divided into two. Other two rooms are on the other side. And one more element which I really love is this niche where you can easily add your temple, because I personally don't like to keep my temple in any of the bedrooms. So they've given you a personal space and then you can add some storage under. So now this is the third bedroom. Good size bedroom. Again, they have given you a niche on that side for the wardrobes. But if you want to add more, you can still add more wardrobe on the other side. This is a master bedroom because this is the biggest bedroom in this house. And if you want to add some sitting along with the bed, you can easily do that. And you still are left with a lot of empty space. So the house looks so open. This closet area is a part of this bedroom. That's why I've told you that this house is operating on two master bedroom concept, wherein you can have a person closet area for, two couples. And this is the washroom. Again, the same size, 9 feet by 5 feet, which is a good sized washroom. I'm going to show you the servant room as well. It's an extra room which you can use even as an office, a small home office if you don't have any full-time help. And the servant room is big. It's a good sized servant bedroom where if you want to add some storages on the top, you can do that. Or if you want to use it as office, do that as well. So they've given you a good space along with the small washroom, which is there on the other side. So I hope you like the house. If you are looking for something which is budget friendly but with a lot of space, then this is the best pick for you. If you want to see more sample houses like this for different builders, then please follow us with the details below.